are THC vape pens illegal now in Texas? We're looking at SB 2024. And we're going to look at, if you go to the Texas Legislature website, the enrolled version of this bill, we're going to read that right now. It says an act relating to a prohibition on marketing, advertising, offering, for sale, or selling certain e-cigarette products, increasing a criminal penalty and creating a criminal offense. And we're talking about e-cigarettes here. So vapes, an electronic cigarette, or any other device that simulates smoking by using a mechanical heating element, battery, or electronic circuit to deliver nicotine or other substances to an individual inhaling from the device, or a consumable liquid solution or other material aerosolized or vaporized during the use of an electronic cigarette or other device described by the subdivision, regardless of whether the liquid solution or material contains nicotine. All right, so there are certain prohibited e-cigarette products. All right, this is what it says. An e-cigarette product means a consumable liquid solution or other material aerosolized or vaporized during the use of an electronic cigarette or other device described by section 161.081(a), regardless of whether the liquid solution or material contains nicotine. It does not include prescription medication or other prescribed substances related to the cessation of smoking. I don't think that's like a marijuana free-for-all for other states' prescriptions, so don't mistake that. But here's the new section here. A person commits an offense if the person markets, advertises, sells, or offers for sale or causes to be sold an e-cigarette product, and one, in a product container that depicts a cartoon-like fictional character that mimics a character primarily aimed at entertaining minors, imitates or mimics trademarks or trade dress of products that are primarily been marketed to minors, includes a symbol that is primarily used to market to minors, includes an image or a name of a celebrity, or includes an image that resembles a food product, including candy or juice. Subsection 2, in a product, shape, or design disguised to appear as an alternative product, including a product, the shape or design of a school or office supply, such as a highlighter, marker, ink pen, or pencil, a smartphone, a smartwatch, a smartphone case or a smartwatch case, headphones, including earbuds, clothing, a backpack, a cosmetic, including lipstick, or a toy that is wholly or partially manufactured in or marketed as being manufactured in China or a country designated as a foreign adversary of the United States, that contains, is mixed with, or is marketed as containing or being mixed with any cannabinoids, alcohol, kratom, kava, mushrooms, tipitine, or any derivatives of those substances. An offense under this section is a Class A misdemeanor. So it doesn't really say anything about THC. So this looks like it's a little bit, I saw an article here today on this particular bill. I don't see the words THC in here anywhere, but it just eliminates a bunch of types of products. So the stuff that looks like highlighters, looks like a pen, is designed or be marketed. So it doesn't matter if it has nicotine or some other substance. So I would say it does ban these types of things. It is making it illegal to sell something that is a vape but looks like a toy, or a vape but looks like a piece of lipstick, or a package of lipstick, or earbuds. Can't have anything that's going to allow nicotine or other vape to be aerosolized and look like those things. So let's take a look at some of the other ones. The original introduced bill has very similar language in it. This is very different from House Bill 6, which goes into all sorts of depth about THC and the types and different ways that it's packaged or sold. Also looking at trying to make sure it's not marketed to kids using, and then that's SB 6 goes into all sorts of stuff about like it can't look like it has X-ray vision or superhuman powers or all sorts of crazy stuff. But this looks like it's just banning any e-cigarette product that looks like something else. Probably sort of a false alarm here on it really having too much effect on THC, or a statewide ban on THC products. So you heard it here first. The Texas Tribune's article on this SB 2024 doesn't look to me like it's going to be the whole cloth ban of THC vapes. So we're still going to have that issue unless SB6 goes through, which I kind of doubt they're going to take that up. Thanks everybody for watching. And as always, this is for educational purposes only. We'll see you next time.